Welcome to 22 Lillington Road, a stunning detached Victorian villa on one of Royal Leamington Spa's most sought after roads. For the first time in over 20 years, this much loved family home is now available and on the market, offering both grandeur and modern comfort, perfectly designed for family living. Follow me, I can't wait to show you around. As soon as you step inside, the space and character of this home are immediately apparent. With the lovely high ceilings and their ornate coving and a beautiful wider than average staircase, this entrance hall really sets the tone for the rest of the house. To the left, we find this spacious living room featuring a charming bay window that floods the room with natural light. The wood burner adds warmth and cosy atmosphere, perfect for relaxing with family after a long day. Next, we enter the formal lounge. This double aspect room offers plenty of space for entertaining, with a striking feature fireplace at its focal point. French doors open out to the beautifully landscaped rear garden, blending indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. Now, the heart of this home is this stunning kitchen. We've got bespoke cabinetry, an American style fridge freezer, a range cooker, and there's also an additional oven and hob. But it's the little touches in here that I like these beautiful antique mirrored glass splashbacks and the quartz worktops, which have a slightly textured finish to them. This is a really lovely space. It's been incredibly well designed and it would suit any keen family chef. The kitchen flows effortlessly into this large triple aspect dining room with snug area, which on a brighter day would have natural light flooding in from every angle. There's a wood burning stove, which creates a cosy spot for the whole family to gather round in the cooler months, making this space ideal for both casual family dinners and entertaining guests. Completing the ground floor is this practical utility room with WC, perfect for busy family life. Downstairs on the lower ground floor, you'll find two incredibly useful storage rooms and the most extraordinary music room featuring a custom-built glass-fronted wine cellar, a true entertainer's dream. If I lived in this house, I could see myself spending a lot of time down here. Upstairs on the first floor, there are 5 beautifully decorated bedrooms. 4 of these are very generously proportioned, ideal for family living. The 5th bedroom is perfect for the littlest member of the family or could easily serve as a home office or study. The family bathroom is a true highlight, with a freestanding roll-top bath that invites you to unwind after a busy day. For added convenience, there's also a separate shower room with walk-in shower and an additional WC with wash basin on this floor.
The principal bedroom is very impressive. A large bay window has custom-made timber shutters, while this gorgeous Victorian fireplace is the perfect centrepiece to this very comfortable bedroom.
And for those who appreciate luxury, this walk-in wardrobe offers an abundance of storage space, ensuring everything has its place. Stepping outside, the rear garden has been beautifully landscaped. There's a generous lawned area, plenty of mature shrubs and trees, and the garden's walled on 2 sides as well, which really helps create a sense of privacy and tranquility. 2 patio areas provide ideal spots for al fresco dining, while garden lighting adds a magical touch in the evening. The garden also benefits from side access to Lillington Road, and at the bottom of the garden you'll find a double garage and a secure double carport, both with electric up and over doors for added convenience and security. With its generous proportions, exquisite interiors and outstanding outside space, 22 Lillington Road really is an ideal family home in one of the area's most desirable locations. But could it be your dream home? For more information, please get in touch on the following details.